Our topic is the least common multiple, which is drawn from section 1.2 of the book Passing the Minnesota MCA-II Grad Component Mathematics Test, revised edition, published by the American Book Company in 2010. The least common multiple of two numbers is the least or smallest number that is a multiple of each of the two numbers. Let's take a look at an example. If I have the number 6 and I have the number 10, I can write out the multiples of each. Multiples of 6 begin with the number itself, 6. That's 1 times 6. 2 times 6 is 12. That's the next multiple. 3 times 6 is 18. 4 times 6 is 24. 5 times 6 is 30, and so on. For the number 10, the first multiple, 1 times 10, is 10. The second multiple, 2 times 10, is 20. The third multiple, 3 times 10, is 30. I can see from this that I have a common multiple of 30. And none of the other numbers less than 30 is a common multiple, common to both 6 and 10. So therefore, the least common multiple, or LCM, is 30. Now you might ask yourself, how did he know to stop at 30? Well, I didn't necessarily. I could have gone even further and found out additional multiples for both 6 and 10. But then I would have looked at some point I would have paused and stopped and taken a look at what multiples I had and seen if I had any common ones. If I had at least one, maybe more, I would have taken the least of them, so that's 30. Or if I hadn't gotten to one yet, like if I had stopped up here at 6, 12, and 18 and 10, 20, I didn't have any common multiples yet. I would have had to keep on going. So let's take a look at a second example. We'll use the number 6 again, but this time we'll look at the number 15. So we'll start off as we did before. We'll go 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Let's keep going. 36, 42, 48. It's a good exercise. 54, 60. Oh, running out of room. How about 15? Let's count by 15s. 1 times 15 is 15. 2 times 15 is 30. This is kind of fun. We'll just keep going. I can go all day. Oh, now we're into 3 digits. 105, 120. Well, we get the idea. Now, I'm looking for common multiples. And one of the techniques I'll use is I'll just pick one of the numbers and go through it all the way and see if that number appears in the other list. So does 6 appear in the second list? No. 12? No. 18? No. 24? No. 30? Yes. That is a common multiple. And since it's the first one I encountered, I know it's the least common multiple. But just for fun, let's keep on going. See if there's any other ones. 36, no. 42, no. 48, no. 54, no. 60, yes. That is also a common multiple, but it's not the least common multiple. The least common multiple is 30. And that's it for least common multiples. You can find many other great problems and examples in the book that I mentioned at the beginning of the video.